Hello everyone. I am Mukesh Srivastava, working here as an assistant teacher of mathematics subject. In today's video, I am going to explain about parallel lines. Parallel lines. Two opposite co-planar lines that never meet even when standing, and distance between them everywhere remains constant, are called parallel lines. If L and M are two opposite co-planar lines and understanding their length on either side and distance between these two lines L and M and measuring everywhere remains same, then these two lines L and M are parallel to each other. Parallel lines is denoted by this symbol. So if L and M are parallel to each other, so you can write L is parallel to M and R, you can write M is parallel to L. Okay? Now, next point, I am going to define transversal line. A straight line which intersect a pair of lines at two distinct points, then that straight line is called transversal line. If L and M are two pair of lines, are two lines, and transversal and straight line P intersect line N at a point P and line M at a point Q, then this straight line is called transversal for these two lines L and M. Okay. Next, this transversal T intersect line NMN at two distinct points P and Q. Eight angles are formed, means four pairs of angles formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Means we have four interior angles and four exterior angles. Now exterior angles form and exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. These are exterior angles because these angles are made outside these two lines L and M. And interior angles are interior angles those angles which are made inside the line L and M. Means angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. These are interangles. Now alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle means one upper angle and one lower angle which are opposite side of transversal line. Means angle 4, angle 6. This is pair of alternate interior angle. Second, one upper angle is 3 and one lower angle is 5, which are opposite of this transversal line, angle 3 and angle 5. Now alternate exterior angle. Pair of alternate exterior angles. One upper angle and one lower angle which are opposite side of transversal line P. Means angle 1, angle 7, similarly you can write angle 2, angle 8. Now corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding means one exterior angle and one interior angle of same side of the transversal line. Means pair of corresponding angle is 1 angle 5. Angle 1, angle 5. And second pair of corresponding angle is angle 4, angle 8. Because angle 4 is interior angle, angle 8 is exterior angle, same side of the transversal line. Angle 4, 8. Similarly, you can write angle 2, angle 6, angle 3, angle 7. Now, vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle, I know that a line, two lines which intersect each other at any point, then four angles are formed in which we have two pairs of vertical opposite angle. Vertical angle is angle 2, angle 4. Vertically opposite angles. Angles are angle 2, angle 4, angle 1, angle 3. Here you see that this line intersect the line M at a point Q. So vertical angle is angle 6, angle 8. Similarly, you can write angle 5, angle 6. Vertically apparent angles are equal to each other. Alternate angles, pair of alternate angles are equal to each other in condition of parallel lines. If A and M are parallel to each other, then pair of alternate angles are equal to each other. Means angle 4 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Similarly, angle 1 is equal to angle 7, angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Similarly, in condition of parallel lines, corresponding angles are also equal to each other. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Now, co-interior angles. In triangles which are same side of same side of transversal line, means angle 4 and angle 5 and angle 3 and angle 6. Sum of pair of co-interior angles will be supplementary, means angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 and angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Okay, so thank you. Kindly share this video and comment on this video and subscribe and like.